वासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंग निजालय मध्यगते मधुमधुरे मधुकैट भगंजिनि कैट भभंजिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय 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 हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। शतखंड विखंडित रुंड वितुंडित शुंड गजाधिपते रिपुगज गंड विदारण चंड पराक्रम शुंड मृगाधिपते निज भुज दंड निपातित खंड विपातित मुंड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय 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 हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। ऐरण दुर्मद शत्रुवधोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिवृते चतुर विचार धुरीण महाशिव दूत कृत प्रमथाधिपते दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दानव दूत कृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय 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 हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। ऐ शरणागत वैरिवधूवर वीरवराभयदायक रे त्रिभुवन मस्तक शूल विरोधि शिरोधि कृतामल शूल करे दुमि दुमितामर धुंदुभिनादु महो मुखरीकृत दिङ्म करे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय 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 हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। अरिनिज हुंकृतिमात्र निराकृत धूम्र विलोचन धूम्रशते समर विशोषित शोणित बीज समुद्भव शोणित बीजलते शिव शिव शुंभ निशुंभ महाहवतर्पित भूत पिशाचरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय 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 हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। ऐ जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंग निजालय मध्यगते मधुमधुरे मधुकैट भगंजिनि कैट भभंजिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय 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 हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। ऐ शतखंड विखंडित रुंड वितुंडित शुंड गजाधिपते रिपुगज गंड विदारण चंड पराक्रम शुंड मृगाधिपते निज भुज दंड निपातित खंड विपातित मुंड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय 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 हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। ऐरण दुर्मद शत्रुवधोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिवृते चतुर विचार धुरीण महाशिव दूत कृत प्रमथाधिपते दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दानव दूत कृतान्तमते जय महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अरिनिजहुं कृतिमात्र निराकृत धूम्रविलोचन धूम्रशते समरविशोषित शोणित बीज समुद्भव शोणित बीजलते शिव शिव शुम्भ निशुम्भ महाहवतर्पित भूत पिशाचरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
नमो नमो दुर्गे सुखकर्णी नमो नमो अम्बे दुखहरणी निराकार है ज्योति तुम्हारी तिहु लोक फैली उजियारी शशि ललाट मुख महाविशाला नेत्र लाल भ्रकुटी विकराला रूप मातु को अधिक सुहावे दर्श करत जन अति सुख पावे तुम ही आदि सुंदरी बाला प्रलय काल सब नाशनहारी तुम गौरी शिव शंकर प्यारी शिव योगी तुम्हारे गुण गावे ब्रह्मा विष्णु तुम्हें नित ध्यावे रूप सरस्वती को तुम धारा दे सुबुद्धि जशि मुनि न उबारा धरा रूप नरसिंह को कटर भई फाड़ कर खंबा रक्षा करी प्रहलाद बचायो हिरण्यक्ष को स्वर्ग पठायो लक्ष्मी रूप धरो जग माही श्री नारायण अंग समाही शिर सिंधु में करत विलासा वाहन सोह भवानी लांगुर वीर चलत अगवानी कर में खप्पर खड़ग विराजे जाको देख काल डर भागे सोहे अस्त्र और त्रिशूला जाते उठत शत्रु ही अशूला नगर कोट में तुम ही विराजत तिहु लोक में डंका बाजत शुंभ निशुंभ दानव तुम्हारे रक्त बीज शंखन संहारे महिषासुर नृप अति अभिमानी जेहि अघभार मही अकुलानी रूप कराल कालिका धारा सैन्य सहित तुम तिहि संहारा परिगाणम संतन पर जब जब भय सहाय मातु तुम तब तब अमर पूरे अरुबा सब लोका तब महिमा रहे अशोका ज्वाला में है ज्योति तुम्हारी तुम्हें सदा पूजे नर नारी प्रेम भक्ति से जो यश गावे दुख दारिद्र निकट नहीं आवे ध्यावे तुम्हें जो नर मन लाए जन्म मरण ताको छुटी जाए जोगी सुर मुनि कहत पुकारी योग न हो बिन शक्ति तुम्हारी शंकर आचारज तप कीनो काम अरु क्रोध जीत भक्ति सब लीनो। निश दिन ध्यान धरो शंकर को, काहू काल नहीं सुमिरो तुमको। शक्ति रूप को मर्म न पायो, शक्ति गई तब मन पछतायो। शरणागत हुई कीर्ति बखानी, जय 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 जगदम्ब भवानी। भई प्रसन्न आदि जगदम्बा, दई शक्ति नहीं कीन विलंबा। मोको मातु कष्ट तिगेरो, तुम बिन कौन हरे दुख मेरो। आशा तृष्णा निपट सतावे, मोह मद आदिक सब विनशावे। शत्रु नाश की जय महारानी, सुमिरो एक चित तुम्हें भवानी। करो कृपा हे मातु दयाला, भक्त सिद्ध दे करहु निहाला। जब लगी जीऊं दया फल पाऊं, तुमरो यश मैं सदा सुनाऊं। दुर्गा चालीसा जो नित गावे, सब सुख भोग परम पद पावे। देवी दास शरण निज जानी, करहु कृपा जगदम्ब भवानी। अनादिं सुरादिं मखादिं भवादिं, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा। जगन्मोहिनीयं तु वाग्वादिनीयं, सुहृदपोषिणी शत्रुसंहारणीयं। वचस्तम्भनीयं किमुच्चाटनीयं, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
अनादिं सुरादिं मखादिं भवादिं, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
इयं स्वर्गदात्री पुनः कल्पवल्ली, मनोजास्तु कामान्यथार्थ प्रकुर्यात्। तथा ते कृतार्था भवन्तीति नित्यं, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
अनादिं सुरादिं मखादिं भवादिं, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
सुरापानमत्ता सुभक्तानुरक्ता, लसत्पूतचित्ते सदा विर्भवस्ते। जपध्यान पूजा सुधा धौतपं का, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
अनादिं सुरादिं मखादिं भवादिं, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
चिदानन्द कन्द हसन् मन्द मन्द, शरच्चन्द्रकोटि प्रभा पुञ्जबिम्बं। मुनीनां कवीनां हृदिद्योतयन्तं, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
अनादिं सुरादिं मखादिं भवादिं, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
महामेघकाली सुरक्तापि शुभ्रा, कदाचित् विचित्रा कृतिर्योगमाया। न बाला न वृद्धा न कामातुरापि, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
अनादिं सुरादिं मखादिं भवादिं, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
क्षमा स्वापराढं महागुप्तभावं, मयलोकमध्ये प्रकाशीकृतन्यत्। तव ध्यानपूतेन चापलयभावात्, स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा।
अनादिं सुरादिं मखादिं भवादिं, स्वरूपं
सदा सर्वलोके विशालो भवेच्च गृहे चाष्ट सिद्धिर्मृते चापि मुक्ति स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा
अनादिं सुरादिं मखादिं भवादिं स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा
भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय पाप विनाशिनी बहुफलदे ग्रहेवा शुद्ध भावेन प्रीता भगवती सदा। विश्वेश्वरी जगद्धात्री स्थितिसंहारकारिणी निद्रां भगवती विष्णोरतुला तेजस प्रभु त्वं स्वाहा त्वं स्वधा त्वं हि वषट्कार स्वरात्मिका सुधा त्वमक्षरे नित्ये त्रिधा मात्रात्मिका स्थिता अर्धमात्रा स्थिता नित्या यानुच्चार्य विशेषतः त्वमेव सन्ध्या सावित्री त्वं देवी जननी परा
त्वयैतद्धार्यते विश्वं त्वयैतत्सृजते जगत् त्वयैतत्पाल्यते देवी त्वमत्स्यन्ते च सर्वदा
विसृष्टौ सृष्टिरूपा त्वं स्थितिरूपा च पालने तथा संहितिरूपान्ते जगतोऽस्य जगन्मये महाविद्या महामाया महामेधा महास्मृति महामोहा च भवती महादेवी महासुरी प्रकृतिस्त्वं च सर्वस्य गुणत्रयविभाविनी कालरात्रिर्महारात्रिर्मोहरात्रिश्च दारुणा त्वं श्रीस्त्वमीश्वरी त्वं ह्रीस्त्वं बुद्धिर्बोधलक्षणा लज्जा पुष्टिस्तथा तुष्टिस्त्वं शान्तिः क्षान्तिरेव च
खड्गिनी शूलिनी घोरा गदिनी चक्रिणी तथा शङ्खिनी चापिनी बाणभुषुण्डी परिधायुधा
सौम्या सौम्यतरा शेष सौम्येभ्यस्त्वति सुन्दरी परा पराणां परमा त्वमेव परमेश्वरी यच्च किञ्चित् क्वचित् वस्तु सदसत्त्वाखिलात्मिके तस्य सर्वस्य या शक्तिः सा त्वं किं स्तूयसे तदा यया त्वया जगत् स्रष्टा जगत्पात्यत्तियो जगत् सोऽपि निद्रावशन्नीतः कस्त्वां स्तोतुमिहेश्वरः विष्णोः शरीरग्रहणमः मीशान एव च कारितास्ते यतोतस्त्वां कः स्तोतुं शक्तिमान् भवेत् सा त्वमित्थं प्रभावैस्वैरुदारैर्देवि संस्तुता मोहयितो दुराधर्षा वसुरो मधुकैटभौ
प्रबोधं न जगत्स्वामी नीयतामच्युतो लघु बोधश्च क्रियतामस्य हन्तुमेतो महासुरो
निशुम्भशुम्भमर्दिनीं प्रचण्डमुण्डखण्डनीं वने रणे प्रकाशिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं
भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनी
त्रिशूलमुण्डधारिणीं धराविघातहारिणीं गृहे गृहे निवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं
भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनी
दरिद्रदुःखहारिणी सतां विभूतिकारिणी वियोगशोकहारिणीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं
लसत्सुलोललोचनां जने सदा वरप्रदाम् कपालशूलधारिणीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीम् करे मुदा गदाधरीं शिवा शिवप्रदायिनीं वरां वराननां शुभां भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं ऋषीन्द्रजामिनी प्रदां त्रिधास्वरूपधारिणीं जले स्थले निवासिनीं भजामि भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनी विशिष्ट सृष्टिकारिणीं विशालरूपधारिणीं महोदरे विलासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनी भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनी पुरन्दरादिसेवितां मुरादिवंशखण्डनी विशुद्धबुद्धिकारिणीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनी
नमस्ते चंडिके चंडी चंडमुंडविनाशिनी नमस्ते कालिके कालमाभये विनाशिनी शिवे रक्ष जगद्धात्री प्रसीद हरि वल्लभे प्रणमामि जगद्धात्री जगत्पालनकारिणी जगच्छोभकरि विद्यां जगत्सृष्टि विधायिनी करालां विकटाघोरां मुण्डमाला विभूषिता अर्चिता हरराध्यां नमामि हरवल्लभां दशभुजां शुभां त्रिपुरेशी विश्वनाथ प्रिया विश्वेश्वरी शिवम् अट्टहासप्रियां धूम्रविनाशिनी कमलां छिन्नमस्तां च मातङ्गी सुरसुन्दरीं षोडशीं विजयां भीमां धूम्रां च बगलामुखीं सिद्धये इत्येवं ववरारोहे स्तोत्रं सिद्धिकरं प्रियम् पठित्वा मोक्षमाप्नोति सत्यं वै गिरिनन्दिनी इत्यवारे चतुर्दशा ममायां जीववासरे शुक्रे निशिगते स्तोत्रं पठित्वा मोक्षमाप्नुयात् त्रिपक्षे मन्त्रसिद्धिः स्यात् स्तोत्रपाठाद्धिशङ्करी चतुर्दशा निशाभागे शनिभौमदिने तथा निशामुखे पठेत् स्तोत्रं मन्त्रसिद्धिमवाप्नुयात् केचलं स्तोत्रठात् धीमन्त्रसिद्धिरनुत्तमा जागर्ति सततं जन्ति स्तोत्रपाजा भुजङ्गिनी ब्रह्मास्त्र रूपिणी देवी माता श्री बगलामुखी चिच्चिक्तिर्ज्ञान रूपा च ब्रह्मानंद प्रदायिनी ओम महाविद्या महालक्ष्मी श्रीमत्त्रिपुर सुंदरी भुवनेशी जगन्माता पार्वती सर्वमंगला ललिता भैरवी शांता अन्नपूर्णा कुलेश्वरी वाराही छिन्नमस्ता च तारा काली सरस्वती जगत पूज्या महामाया कामेशी भगमालिनी दक्षपुत्री शिवंकस्था शिवरूपा शिवप्रिया सर्वसंपत्करी देवी सर्वलोकवशंकरी वेद विद्या महापूज्या भक्ताद्वेषी भयंकरी स्तंभ रूपा स्तंभिनी च दुष्ट स्तंभनकारिणी भक्त प्रिया महाभोगा श्री विद्या ललितांबिका मैना पुत्री शिवानंदा मातंगी भुवनेश्वरी नारसिंही नरेंद्रा च नपाराध्या नरोत्तमा नागिनी नागपुत्री च नगराज सुता उमा पीतांबरा पीत पुष्पा च पीत वस्त्र प्रिया शुभा पीत गंध प्रिया रामा पीत रत्नार्चिता शिवा अर्धचंद्रधरी देवी गदा मुद्गरधारिणी सावित्री त्रिपदा शुद्धा सद्यो राग विवर्धिनी विष्णुरूपा जगन्मोहा ब्रह्मरूपा हरिप्रिया रुद्ररूपा रुद्रशक्ति दिन्मयी भक्तवत्सला लोकमाता शिवा संध्या शिव पूजन तत्परा धनाध्यक्षा धनेशी च धर्मदा धनदा धना चंडदर्प हरि देवी शुंभासुरिणी धुराजराजेश्वरी देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी रेणुपुत्री महामाया भ्रामरी भ्रमरांबिका ज्वालामुखी भद्रकाली बगला शत्रौनाशिनी इंद्राणी इंद्रपूजा च गुहमाता गुणेश्वरी वज्रपाशधरा देवी जिह्वामुद्गरधारिणी भक्तानां आनंद करी देवी बगला परमेश्वरी अष्टोत्तर शतम नाम्नां बगलायास्तु यः पठेत् रिप उबाधा विनिर्मुक्तः लक्ष्मी स्थैर्यमवाप्नुयात् भूत प्रेत पिशाचाश्च ग्रह पीडा निवारणम् राजानो वशमायाति सर्वैश्वर्यं च विन्दति नाना विद्यां च लभते राज्यं प्राप्नोति निश्चितम् भुक्ति मुक्तिमवाप्नोति साक्षात् शिव समो भवेत् नाना विद्यां च लभते राज्यं प्राप्नोति निश्चितम् भुक्ति मुक्तिमवाप्नोति साक्षात् शिव समो भवेत्। जय कामेशी चामुण्डे जय भूतापहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। विश्वमूर्ते शुभे शुद्धे विरूपाक्षि त्रिलोचने भीमरूपे शिवे विद्ये कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। माला जये जय जम्भे भूताक्षि क्षुभिते अक्षये महामाये महेशानी कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। काली कराल विक्रांते कामेश्वरी नरप्रिये सर्वशास्त्र सारभूते कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। कामरूप प्रदीपे च नीलकूट निवासिनी निशुम्भ शुम्भ मथनी कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। कामाख्ये कामरूपस्थे कामेश्वरी हरिप्रिये कामनां देहि मे नित्यं कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। वपानार्जवक्त्रे त्रिभुवनेश्वरी महिषासुरवधे देवी कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। छागतुष्टे महाभीमे कामखे सुरवन्दिते जय कामप्रदे तुष्टे कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। भ्रष्टराज्यो यदा राजा नवम्यान्यत शुचि अष्टम्या च चतुर्दश्यामुपवासी नरोत्तमः संवत्सरेण लभते राज्यं निष्कण्टकं पुनः यैदं शृणुवाद भक्त्या तव देवी समुदभवम् सर्वपाप विनिर्मुक्तः परनिर्वाणमृच्छति श्रीकामरूपेश्वरि भास्कर प्रभे प्रकाशिताम्भुजनिभायतानने सुरारिरक्ष स्तुतिपातनोत्सुके त्रयीमये देवनुते नमामि। सिते रक्तपिशङ्ग विग्रहे रूपाणि यस्याः प्रतिभान्ति तानि विकाररूपा च विकल्पितानि शुभाशुभानामपि तां नमामि। कामरूपसमुद्भूते कामपीठावतंसके विश्वधारे महामाये कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। अव्यक्तविग्रहे शान्ते सन्तते कामरूपिणी कालगम्ये परे शान्ते कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। या सुष्मुनान्तरालस्था चिन्तते ज्योतिरूपिणी प्रणतोऽस्मि परां वीरां कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। दंष्ट्राकरालवदने मुण्डमालोपशोभिते सर्वतः सर्वं वगे देवी कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। चामुण्डे च महाकाली काली कपालहारिणी पाशहस्ते दण्डहस्ते कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। चामुण्डे कुलमालासे तीक्ष्णनंस्त्र महाबले शवयानस्थिते देवी कामेश्वरी नमोस्तुते। जटाजूट समायुक्ता मृद्धेन्दुकृतशेखराम् लोचनत्रय संयुक्ता पूर्णेन्दु सदृशानना। अतसी पुष्पवर्णाभां सुप्रतिष्ठां सुलोचनां नवयौवन सम्पन्नां सर्वाभरणभूषितां सुचारुदर्शनां तद्वत्पीनोन्नतपयोधरां त्रिभङ्गस्थान संस्थानां महिषासुरमर्दिनीं मृणालयत संस्पर्शदशबाहुसमन्विताम् त्रिशूलं दक्षिणे पाणौ खड्गं चक्रं कृमादध तीक्ष्णबाणं तथा शक्तिं दक्षिणे सन्निवेशयेत् खेटकं पूर्णचापं च पाशमङ्कुशमेव च घण्टां वा परशुं वापि वामतः सन्निवेशयेत् अधस्तान् महिषं तद्वद्विशिरस्कं प्रदर्शयेत् शिरश्छेदोद्भवं तद्वद्दानवं खड्गपाणिनं हृदि शूलेन निर्भिन्नं निर्यदन्त्रविभूषितम्। रक्तरक्तीकृताङ्गं च रक्तविस्फुरिते क्षणम् वेष्टितं नागपाशेन भ्रुकुटीभीषणानमम् सप्राशवामहस्तेन धृतकेशं च दुर्गया वमद्रुधिर्वक्त्रं च देव्या सिंहं प्रदर्शये देव्यास्तु दक्षिणं पादं समं सिंहोपरि स्थितं किञ्चिदूर्ध्वं तथा वाममङ्गुष्ठं महिषोपरि शत्रुक्षयकरीं देवीं दैत्यदानवदर्पहां प्रसन्नवदनां देवीं सर्वकामफलप्रदां स्तूयमानं च तद्रूपममरे सन्निवेशये उग्रचण्डा प्रचण्डा च चण्डोग्रा चण्डननायिका चण्डा चण्डवती चैव चण्डरूपाति चण्डिका
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वभूतायदा देवी भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदायिनी त्वं स्तुता स्तुतैका वा भवन्तु परमोक्तयः सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते स्वर्गापवर्गदे देवी नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते कलाकाष्ठादिरूपेण परिणामप्रदायिनी विश्वस्योपरतौ शक्ते नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते। सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशाना शक्तिभूते सनातने गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते शरणागतदीनार्तपरित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते हंस्युत्तविमानस्थे ब्रह्माणि रूपधारिणि कौशाम्भक्षरिके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते त्रिशूलचन्द्राहिधरे महावृषभवाहिनि माहेश्वरी स्वरूपेण नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते मयूरकुक्कुटवृते महाशक्तिधरे नघे कौमारी रूपसंस्थाने नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते शङ्खचक्रगदाशार्ङ्गगृहीत परमायुधे प्रसीद वैष्णवी रूपे नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते गृहीतोग्रमहाचक्रे दंष्ट्रोद्धृतवसुन्धरे वराहरूपिणि शिवे नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते निसिंहरूपिणोग्रेण हन्तुं दैत्यान् कृतोद्यमे त्रैलोक्यत्राणसहिते नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले वृत्रप्राणहरे चन्द्री नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते शिवदूतिस्वरूपेण हतदैत्यमहाबले घोररूपे महारावे नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते दंष्ट्राकरालवदने शिरोमाला विभूषणे चामुण्डे मुण्डमथने नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते लक्ष्मीलज्जे महाविद्ये श्रद्धे पुष्टिस्वधे ध्रुवे महारात्रि महामाये नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते सरस्वतीवरे भूतिबाभ्रवितामसि नियते त्वं प्रसीदेशे नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्तिसमन्विते भयेभ्यस्त्राहि नो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तु ते एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यं लोचनत्रयभूषितम् पातु नः सर्वभूतेभ्यः कात्यायनी नमोऽस्तु ते ज्वालाकरालमत्युग्रमशेषासुरसूदनं त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीतेर्भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ जयन्ती मङ्गलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवधात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते जय त्वं देवी धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतर्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोऽस्तु ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः स्वधात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोऽस्तु ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ जयन्ति मङ्गलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवधात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोऽस्तु ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गले शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ जयन्ति मङ्गलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवधात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोऽस्तु ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ जयन्ति मङ्गलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवधात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोऽस्तु ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गले शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ जयन्ति मङ्गलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवधात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोऽस्तु ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ जयन्ति मङ्गलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवधात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोऽस्तु ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः कालरात्रि स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोऽस्तु ते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ जयन्ति मङ्गलकाली भद्रकाली
स्य श्री अर्गलास्तोत्रमन्त्रस्य विष्णुरर्षि अनुष्टुप् छन्दः श्रीमहालक्ष्मीर्देवता श्रीजगदम्बा प्रीतये सप्तशतीपाठाङ्गत्वेन जपे विनियोगः। ॐ नमश्चण्डिकायै। ॐ जयन्ती मङ्गला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तु ते। जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोऽस्तु ते। मधुकैटभविद्राविविधातृवरदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि महिषासुरनिर्नाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि रक्तबीजवधे देवी चण्डमुण्डविनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि शुम्भस्यैव निशुम्भस्य धूम्राक्षस्य च मर्दिनि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि वन्दिताङ्घ्रियुगे देवी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि अचिन्त्यरूपचरिते सर्वशत्रुविनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि नतेभ्यः सर्वदा भक्त्या चण्डिके दुरितापहे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि स्तुवद्भ्यो भक्तिपूर्वं त्वां चण्डिके व्याधिनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि चण्डिके सततं ये त्वामर्चयन्तीह भक्तितः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि देहि सौभाग्यमारोग्यं देहि मे परमं सुखम् रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि विधेहि द्विषतां नाशं विधेहि बलमुच्चकैढ रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि विधेहि देदि कल्याणं विधेहि परमां श्रियम् रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि सुरासुरशिरोरत्ननिघृष्टचरणे अम्बिके रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि विद्यावन्तं यशस्वन्तं लक्ष्मीवन्तं जनं कुरु रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि प्रचण्ड दैत्यदर्पघ्ने चण्डिके प्रणताय मे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि चतुर्भुजे चतुर्वक्त्र संस्तुते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि कृष्णेन संस्तुते देवी शश्वद्भक्त्या सदाम्बिके रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि हिमाचलसुतानाथ संस्तुते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि इन्द्राणि पतिसद्भावपूजिते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि देवी प्रचण्ड दोर्दण्ड दैत्यदर्प विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि देवी भक्तजनोद्दाम दत्तानन्दोदये अम्बिके रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि पत्नीं मनोरमां देहि मनोवृत्तानुसारिणीं तारिणीं दुर्गसंसारसागरस्य कुलोद्भवाम् इदं स्तोत्रं पठित्वा तु महास्तोत्रं पठेन्नरः स तु सप्तशती संख्यावरमाप्नोति सम्पदाम्।
गलल्तृप्तमुण्डावलीकण्ठमाला महोघोररावसुदंष्ट्राकराला विवस्त्रश्मशानालया मुक्तकेशि महाकालकामकुलाकालिकेयम् भुजवां युग्मे शिरोसिन्दधाना मध्यापि तुङ्गस्तनाभारणम्र लसद्रक्तसृक्कद्वया सुस्मितास्य शवद्वन्द्वकर्णवतंसासु केशि लसत्प्रेतपाणि प्रयुक्तैककाञ्चि शवाकारमञ्चाधिरूढा शिवाभिश्चतुर्दिक्षु शब्दायमानाभिरेजे विरञ्चादिदेवास्त्रयस्ते गुणास्त्रीं समाराध्यकालीं प्रधाना बभूवु अनादिं सुरादिं मखादिं भवादिं स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा जगन्मोहनीयं तु वाग्वादिनीयं सुहृत्पोषिणी शत्रुसंहारणीयं वचस्तम्भनीयं किमुच्चाटनीयं स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा इयं स्वर्गदात्री पुनः कल्पवल्ली मनोजास्तु कामान् यथार्थं प्रकुर्यात् तथा ते कृतार्था भवन्तीति नित्यं स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा सुरापानमत्तासु भक्तानुरक्ता लसत्पूतचित्ते सदा विर्भवत्ते जपध्यानपूजा सुधाधोतपङ्का स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा चिदानन्दकन्दं हसन्मन्दमन्दं शरच्चन्द्रकोटिप्रभापुञ्जबिम्बं मुनीनां कवीनां हृदि स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा महामेघकाली सुरक्तापि शुभ्रा कदाचित् विचित्राकृतिर्योगमाया न बाला न वृद्धा न कामातुरापि स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा क्षमस्वापराधं महागुप्तभावं मया लोकमध्ये प्रकाशीकृतं यत् तव ध्यानपूतेन चापल्यभावात् स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा यदि ध्यानयुक्तं पठेद्यो मनुष्यस्तदा सर्वलोके विशालो भवेच्च गृहे चाष्टसिद्धिर्मृते चापि मुक्ति स्वरूपं त्वदीयं न विन्दन्ति देवा
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Digital Adverts Limited Presentation Guide 2023. My name is Coach Enoch, Chief Trainer, Regional Agent, Nairobi Kasarani. We make advertisement meaningful and affordable, like I'm going to share with you. This is our company profile. Digital Adverts is registered and was launched on the 4th of April 2021. We are here to promote all businesses through advertisement, profiling, surveys, and e-commerce. Our founder is Mr. Martin Musinguzi, a very successful businessman and an IT specialist. He is working with Mr. Leonard Odhiambo as the country director, Sadiq Shaha, sales representative, and Enoch Chitonde Chija, country trainer. You are wondering, is this company even legally operating? Yes, clearly you can see we have a certificate of incorporation. The government of Kenya is aware of our existence. We have a trading license, as you can see. We are also located at the Bazaar Plaza along Moi Avenue. Find us there on the 8th floor, suite 807. Now, all businesses that are making it big in the field out there, they are also investing equally heavily in the advertisement platforms. Look at Safaricom, Kenya Lotto, Coca-Cola, among others. These companies are making it big, but they are also spending highly. In the year 2020, most of the businesses really downsized, but such companies did not even slow down in advertisement. They spent over 122 billion. That is a lot of money. It went to the mainstream media. It also went to a few of the digital platforms. But the challenge is very few people today are watching TV. How many of you are listening to radio? The billboard. When was the last time you bought a newspaper or a magazine? Now we present to you an application. As long as you have a smartphone, you can download it from Play Store and Apple Store and enjoy these 5 products like I'm going to share with you. Adverts, profiles, surveys, pay bills, mall, and the stores. Number 1, watch advert and get paid. Now, are you a company owner? You have a business you are running? We are going to be giving you views. You are going to pay 8 Kenyan shillings if you have a video advert. and 4 Kenyan shillings if you have an image advert. Are you looking for 100 views? You are going to pay 400 for 100 image views. Are you looking for video views, real people viewing your advert? That is what I'm talking about. You are going to pay 800. Are you looking for 1,000 views? You are going to pay 4,000 if it's an image, or 8,000 if it's a video. Now when you pay this money, 30% goes back to every subscriber on the application who viewed this advert fully. Imagine you have joined us today. You are going to be paid 2.4 for every video you watch and 1.2 every image that you have watched. Now this is already happening in Kenya. What if you watch adverts for 1 minute? You're going to earn 4.8. What if adverts are running throughout the hour and you're enjoying watching them? Walk away with 288 Kenyan shillings. Now that is serious money. Why should you join digital adverts today? Almost everyone has a smartphone today. Believe me. And these phones are mobile. Someone goes with their phone to work, church, everywhere, in the bedroom, everywhere. So if you are targeting people, the best platform to advertise is their smartphone. Your advert will be viewed by people. People don't work with their TVs to work. Very few people are working with radios today. Smartphone is the best strategy for you. Paid adverts attract viewers. The truth is, people hate watching adverts. Every time they find them on social media, YouTube, Facebook, people love skipping them. It is a waste of time. But digital adverts, on the contrary, is going to pay people for every advert they watch. It is happening today, and people are enjoying watching adverts from our platform. So this is the best platform for you to advertise. Adverts come with auto buttons. This simply means if you have run your advert on our application, people are going to contact you directly through phone call. They are going to use a WhatsApp. They send you a text. Even an email is possible. Select a target audience for your advert. Which kind of people do you want to see your advert? Are they male or female? Which region are you targeting? Is it Nakuru, Kasarani, Meru, whatever it may be? Just pay for that region. Pay exactly for a specific number of views. Are you looking for 100 views? Are you looking for 500 views? Pay exactly for a specific number of viewers. Yes, is your budget 100 views? Is your budget 1,000 views? Pay that only, nothing extra. This is value for money. Adverts can be rewatched later. Now, for the first time in the advertisement industry, digital adverts is going to give you value for your money, that you will advertise once but get a buyer after 1 day, after 1 week, at the end of the month, in one time, in a year. Yet you made one advert. Why? Because every advert that is watched on our platform, it stays in the watched advert section, meaning people will be able to contact you when they are ready to buy. Upload your advert and track views. Our rates are so affordable to all. Clearly you can see that with as low as 400 Kenyan shillings, someone can start to advertise with us. Company profiling is our second service that we offer to you. You are going to be able to profile your service, your company. Everything about your company is going to be displayed from January to December, 365 days in a year, and you are paying only 30,000 Kenyan shillings. Is your budget for 6 months? Pay for 6 months. Can you afford 1 month? Pay 6,400, and that is it. Digital surveys. This is our latest product that we have launched here in Kenya, whereby companies that have been struggling to get feedback from people, they are going to be able to use our application to get feedback. All they are going to do is pay 32 Kenyan shillings for every participant. Now when they pay 32 Kenyan shillings, 40% goes back to every member who has filled this survey. Can you imagine? It doesn't even take a minute for you to earn the 9.6 Kenyan shillings that we are paying. Pay utility bills. Now digital adverts is giving you an opportunity to save on all your expenditures. Pay your bills using our platform. There are no transactional charges, but also earn a cashback of 3%. Can you imagine? Buy airtime, pay water, TV subscription and others, and enjoy. That is only with digital adverts. The question is, are there people who have used this service and earned or benefited like I've told you? This is it. Daniel is one of our members. He bought airtime, Safaricom, of 1,400 and he got back 42 bob. Clearly you can see this here. You know, KPLC token, someone paid for KPLC when we still had the service. She paid 15.21 and she got back 46. Yeah, today it's not working, the token service, but in future I believe it will be revitalized. The Nairobi Water, this one is Francisca. She paid 1,545 and she got back 46 bob immediately. So this is the evidence for you. We have the digital mall for you. This is going to help you solve the challenges you've been facing out there. People today can't afford rent. It's very expensive, very costly, so people have resorted to selling at home. Some people have even left, but digital adverts is giving you space, and the beauty is no commission is charged from the sales you make. We have seen different digital platforms whereby you can come up with their own price. They cost your product highly, and you miss out on some clients. It is happening. Digital advert says, no, what you do is we are going to connect you with our subscribers. No need to charge you extra as long as you have the application. Can you imagine? Deals are directly closed between the seller and the buyer. No stockings or inventory required to set up your shop. It doesn't matter how much stock you have, we don't limit you in any way. As long as you are willing, you have the space. You can change the display of your products anytime. You can advertise and get your shop displayed on top of others. We have seen this happen. When you log into the app, you see shops that have over 70,000 views on top of the line, and the rest follow. So become a landlord, sub-rent to others, and collect rent. That is also possible with digital adverts. How do you become a member? We have made it very simple. You will get a referral link from the person who invited you here. Yes, you will tap the link and register. Yes. Then for those who have business cards, someone will give you their card. You scan the card and then you register. There are those who have posters. They have their QR code somewhere. Just scan the code, register, and become a member. You want to make serious money in digital adverts? Activate your account today with only 3,200 and then become a full member. You can do this using M-Pesa Express or an activation code. Yes. So after subscribing, we are giving you an opportunity to make money through referrals. You can share this idea with your family, with your relatives, people around you. This time round, you are not talking for free. You are being paid for that. Refer the first person, you will earn 40%. That is 1,280. Imagine you have referred 10 people to digital advert. You will earn 12,800. And on top of that, we give you a t-shirt right here, a branded t-shirt, by the way, to help you spread the news of digital adverts. Now, the people you introduce are your first level. When they recommend other friends, that is your second level. And second level, digital adverts is going to still pay you 15%. That is 480. You have 100 people on level 2, made 48,000. We add you a smartphone. I know you could be having one, but what if we add you another? It's just a gift. Then level 3, you have 1,000 people. You've earned 160 from them. You even don't know about these people. Digital adverts is going to add you a laptop. And the truth is, people are already making money, and this is the evidence. Maingi Branson made over 20,000 3 weeks time. We have Felicitas Mweni, is a member of digital adverts working abroad. She made over 60,000 online. We have Emmanuel Odiambo, the teacher by profession, who is also doing digital adverts part-time. At the time I asked for the screenshot, he had made over 139. Today I know he has made more than 200,000. So it is serious. People are making the money. Okay, as we proceed, these are the ones I was talking about. If you have qualified for a t-shirt, the good thing is it is handed to you by the CEO himself, the country director and chief trainer. Those are some of the people who qualified and won. We have this one who qualified for a smartphone. He was being rewarded. A number of people have won smartphones in Kenya. This one is another one who was being recognized and appreciated. And then this one over here. So people are really getting their awards. Now this is indirect adverts earnings. When you have built a network, when you have people who have subscribed, when you have followers, so to speak, yes, every time they watch an advert, this is not you watching an advert, but them, we are going to pay you 0.12 from the images they watch. If it's a video, that is 0.24. Assuming only 100 image adverts are watched in a month, this is the projection. You have 10 people on level 1, they have watched 100 image adverts, only 100. you are earning 0.12 from them. That is 120. Yes, that is good money. It can help you buy unga, you know. So level 2, you have 100 people, they have watched 100 adverts, you are making 1,200. This can pay serious money. It can be serious money to pay bills, you know. Level 3, 1,000 people who have watched 100 adverts, you are earning 12,000. This is someone's rent sorted. So monthly collection, you are looking at 13,320. Annual projection is over 150,000. So don't leave this money on the table. Okay, sales commission. Now, members who are joining us today, you should know that digital advert, you're not only going to make money from watching advert, but there are people who are going to bring business. Maybe they want to run their adverts on our portal, survey, or profiles. The moment they run an advert, you, the sponsor, the person who introduced to them this idea, you are going to earn 13% from them. Yes, on your second level, you are going to earn 4% and 2%. Yeah, at third level, 40,450 Kenyan shillings coming in from sales commission. Imagine an annual commission over 485,000. If you didn't have a plan that can give you this money, we welcome you to digital adverts today. There are terms and conditions, of course. You must be an activated member to earn from this service. You must have uploaded an advert at least every month. Then dynamic compression applies to unqualified account from up to the 10th level, 100th level. If anyone below you did not qualify, you can get this money, come and locate you. This money will locate you for sure. Special benefits we have for our subscribers. Do you want to be a special member? Then become agent, regional agent of digital advert. Now, regional agents are paid or rewarded from every activity that is carried out in their region. So you can go to our website and then look at regions that are available. Regions in green are available, you can apply. The regions in red are already taken, you can't apply. So any person who registers and activates in your region, whether you know them or not, you are going to earn 160. Imagine you have 10,000 people who registered, you know, in your region, 1,000 people that you don't even know about. That is over 160,000 that is coming to your account. You are going to earn from the adverts they watch, you earn from the e-commerce orders they make, collect rent every month. Now, it is 32,000 to register or apply for this service, but we have a promotion that is still running, you know. You can apply this, pay 32,000, yes, and get 10 activation codes. 10 activation codes. Utilize this chance. Okay, the question is, are there people who are earning from their agency? This is one of our members who you can clearly see earning 160, 160, 160, 160, 160. Now the question came, yes, what if only 10,000 people registered and activated in your region in 1 year? How much money would you have made? Now the other serious question I know you could be having is, can I even withdraw this money? Can I access my money? Digital Adverts has made it very simple for you. Yes, you can access your money through M-Pesa or Airtel Money. Now, you don't have to wait for the end of the month or someday in a week or a day to be communicated by the CEO. Not really. You can earn this money any day. You can withdraw this money daily. Now, if that doesn't work, we have bank withdrawals. If bank withdrawals does not work for you, we have peer-to-peer transfer. That simply means member to member. We have app transactions. That is how you can access your funds. Today is about evidence. We have made 1 year in Kenya, and you are wondering whether there are people really who are making withdrawals. This is one of the jamas we have who's withdrawing money on a daily basis. So everywhere you see green, paid, it means he has been paid. Now, iPay is powering all our payments. Yes, as long as we make the withdrawal, they only charge you 64 Kenyan shillings. It doesn't matter how much money you are withdrawing, but you will get that money instantly. Now we have a promotion that is also closing very soon. This is actually reloaded. It was launched on 18th March. It is ending 18th of April. And this promotion is dubbed Zimba Team campaign. Become a team builder and get rewarded big. If you become a champion, now I've showed you earlier that you are paid 40% from the people you refer personally. But Digital Adverts is taking this game a bit higher. Yes, it is saying that after becoming a champion, anyone who will join you directly, the moment they feed in 3,200 in the system, the CEO gets 50%, half of it, he gives it back to you, the Zimba champion, and then distributes the rest to other uplines or members in the line. You're also going to earn 5% from the surveys that are made in your team from level 1 up to level 3. If you are not Zimba, you can't earn from your team members when they fill surveys. Become a lifetime member. Today Digital Adverts is giving you a badge from which you will not be required to renew the subscription monthly. People who will miss this service, as you can see in yellow here, they are going to be renewing every single month. So do not delay. This is a chance for you. What are the qualifications? Have you been an old member? Simply choose 5 people in your organization and then help them sponsor 10 each. As simple as that. Are you joining us today? Yeah, before 18th April, just sponsor 5 people, then sit with them, help them each get 10 more. Clearly you can see this is the structure. This is how it's going to happen. You have someone here on level 1 who has joined, and they refer their second person, third person, up to the 10th person. Then level 2, you have a second person who has joined you, and then you help them also. Just sponsor 10, you know. Yes, just 10. Get a third person, maybe it's your relative, you help them get 10. You have a fourth person, maybe it's your Obi or Ogi, help them also get 10. As simple as that. Then get your 5th person, yes, help them also get 10 people. Now the day this 5th person gets the 10th person in the system, that day is gonna change everything about you and your network. Your system is going to light up the badge. You are going to get the 50% as because you are a leader, then 50% to all these 5 people that you are working with closely. And what does that mean? You are a Zimba. Congratulations, Zimba champion. Now after becoming a Zimba champion, as you can see from that day onwards, yeah, you are going to be earning 1,600 Kenyan shillings from every person who joins you directly. Very amazing figures. Now what if you have 10 people? 10 people, that is 16,000. You give yourself a target. Sponsor 10 people in a week. How much is that? Sponsor 10 people in a month. How much is that? This is someone's salary, you know. You are making it from just sharing the opportunity. Here you can see, what if you sponsor only 300 people in 1 year? This is a projection. You give yourself a target. I want 300 this year. Look at how much you are looking at, 480,000. But if you say I can do this in 2 years, that is a sure deal for you. Now focus here, because this is where money is. The network that you have built, the people that have joined you, every time they fill a survey and you are a Zimba champion, you are going to be collecting 1.6 from them. Imagine we have just 10 surveys in a month, and 10 people in your first line all fill these surveys. You will earn 160. You have 1,000 people on level 3 who have filled these surveys. You are looking at 16,000. Yes, did you have a plan from which you can collect 17,000 every month? Yeah, 17,000. Now, as long as you're a Zimba champion, this is sure for you. We're also giving you a projection here. If you didn't have a plan that can pay you 200,000 in a year without working hard, this is it. Digital Adverts is giving it to you today. Now good news, as I conclude this, Digital Adverts is not all about making money, it's also about the lifestyle. Yes, Digital Adverts gives you the lifestyle. As long as you have a passport, you love traveling, we give you the lifestyle. This time round we are going to Mombasa. Yes, the qualification started on 23rd of March. It's ending on 23rd of June. You are going to fly to Mombasa. Everything is paid by the company. Accommodation, breakfast, lunch, dinner, visit Wasina Island and others, team building, so much fun. Then also at the end of the year we have the Dubai trip. You can be part of the qualifiers. If you want to know more about this, please visit the person who shared this program with you and let them take you through the qualification details. But we are going to have 6 days out, 5 nights and 6 days, everything paid for, and then $200 voucher as you go. I will end with these quotes. Robert Kiyosaki says, "The richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. Do you want to be rich? Do what the rich people do. They utilize networks." Digital Adverts gives you an opportunity to build your network and earn from it. So turn to the person who invited you for this presentation. Get started.